Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are off to Mehrano to capture some amazing foxbats, also known as flying foxes. Let's discover what makes these creatures so special. It took us about 15 to 20 minutes to reach Mehrano. Passing through the entrance gate, our excitement grew as we got closer to the bats. The road to the trees where foxbats live was rough and bumpy, but thanks to our determined friend Zulfikar, we made it. As the sun goes down every evening in Mehrano, dark, huge winged creatures dominate the sky. These large bats use their sharp eyes to find food. Seeing them up close was incredible. Let me tell you some interesting facts about foxbats. They are the largest bats in the world, with wingspans reaching up to 1.5 meters. Unlike most bats, they don't use echolocation. Instead, they rely on their keen eyesight and sense of smell to find food. Foxbats play a crucial role in our ecosystem by pollinating flowers and spreading seeds. Mehrano's forest is stunning and known for its diverse wildlife. It's a perfect habitat for foxbats and many other species. My friends and I took turns photographing the foxbats. Despite their large size, foxbats are gentle creatures. They were just hanging out in the trees, making their usual noises, and we were able to capture some fantastic shots. Watching the bats fly from under the tree was an incredible experience. As we made our way back, the sky began to darken. Then a surprising moment happened. We spotted a Dusky Eagle Owl. This majestic bird was sitting on a high branch. It was the perfect ending to our adventure. After our trip, we made our way home, reflecting on how lucky we were to see so many new mammals and birds in Mehrano. It was an amazing day. A special thanks to Mir Zulfikar, Mir Hussain and Mir Ahmed Ali for joining and making this trip unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Wildlife Valley. See you next time. Goodbye.